Hello everyone, here we come up with our new video on how to prepare or revise your advanced accounts course in that 2 days given for your exam preparation, that is 10th and 11th May 2017. This video is made on assumption that you have done your full course one time and nothing is left to be prepared on the last day. Before going further, I want to tell you that please focus on study material and practice manual questions as 80% to 90% paper comes from this and 10% is provision. So here we start with our video. On 9th May, when you come after giving your tax exam, do these chapters. First chapter is department. In this, firstly complete your full SM and PM. Do new questions added in SM and PM. For this, refer Study Material July 2015 edition and Practice Manual April 2016 edition. It will take maximum 1.5 hours to complete department. After that, next chapter is Insurance. In this also, do whole questions of Study Material and Practice Manual. Do theory of this chapter as it can also be asked very frequently by the institute. It will take maximum 2 hours to complete this chapter. The next chapter to do is banking. In this also do whole questions of study material and practice manual. It will also take maximum 2 hours to complete this chapter. Please note that there are too many repeated questions in both SM and PM of chapters banking and insurance. So do not waste time in doing the same questions again and again. You can only read those questions which are of same type. This is all about 9th May. The chapters to be prepared on 9th May are selected keeping in mind that you guys have text paper on that day. So you are not able to study much on that day. For those having only group 2 exams, they start from 8th May to 10th May. On 11th May again go through full course and do RTPs and MTPs. But guys, after giving text paper, forget all about it and concentrate only on your upcoming papers. After that, chapter to be prepared on 10th May are first pick up accounting standards. In this, accounting standard 4, 12, 29, 26 and accounting standard 19 are to be done. Accounting standard 4 and 12 will take half hour to half hour each, and accounting standard 26 and 29 will combinedly take maximum 1 hour. Do all the questions of practice manual and study material, as accounting standard questions are mainly asked from practice manual and study material. After that, take chapter employee stock option plan. This chapter is very important for May 2017 as from last 2 attempts buyback question is asked only. In this, do all the questions of study material and practice manual. For this, refer study material edition of July 2015 and practice manual edition of April 2016. There is question in this practice manual edition which is newly added, that is question number 7 on page 4.9. This is very important question as it contains almost all the concepts of employee stock option plan. So do this. Employee stock option plan will take maximum 1 hour. After that, take chapter buyback. From last 2 attempts, question is asked from this chapter by the institute. So fully prepared this chapter, as question came only from study material and practice manual. So complete your study material and practice manual. Buyback will take maximum 1 hour. After that, pick up chapter underwriting. In this also do all the questions of study material and practice manual. It will take maximum 1 hour to do this chapter. After that, took amalgamation and internal reconstruction. You have already done these chapters in group 1, so do only study material and practice manual of these chapters, as some concepts which you have not studied in group 1 will cover in study material and practice manual questions of group 2 of these chapters. So please give maximum 1.5 hour to these chapters. After that, take chapter branch. In this, please focus more on conversion questions of foreign branch and do all the questions of study material and practice manual, as from this chapter questions come in exam are of study material and practice manual only. So it will take maximum 1.5 hour to finish this chapter. After that, schedule of 11th May is first pick up accounting standard 5, 11, 16 and 20. It will take maximum 3 hours to do these accounting standards. Then take partnership accounts. Only do study material and practice manual questions, as only these are asked mainly in the exam. Please note there are 2 questions in LLP which can be asked. These are question number 14 and 15 of practice manual given on page number 3.32. These can be asked in theory questions. Then pick chapter debenture. It will take maximum 1 hour to do this. There are many repeated questions, so no need to do all, as there is not much time left to waste. Then do chapter liquidation. It will take maximum 1 hour to do this. Then again take insurance chapter theory. Don't give more than half hour to this, as you already done this on 9th May. Then pick chapter 1. Go through the chapter, and there are not so much questions in study material and practice manual, so do them only. Then after completing all the chapters, pick up RTPs and MTPs. Firstly, May 2017 RTP and MTP. In this, firstly do all the questions of accounting standard, as these accounting standard questions will come surely for 20 marks in exam. Then do the rest questions of RTP and MTP. Guys, I am saying again, please do all the questions of study material and practice manual, as 90% question paper will mostly come from study material and practice manual. For this, refer study material edition July 2015 and practice manual edition of April 2016. So friends, here we end up with our video. I hope these videos are helpful to you in your exams. If you like the video, please hit the like button and remain connected with us by subscribing our channel. And if you want to suggest some improvements in our video, please let us know by leaving a comment in comment box. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so that they can also take the benefit. One more thing, those who are watching this video can also watch our video on important questions of information technology, auditing and assurance, and strategic management. The link of those videos are given in the description box. We are going to come with some more videos, so stay connected with us. And all the best for your exams. Give your best. Thank you. Bye bye.